Advanced automation transforms raw materials into the A-18E. The internal smoke generation system is key to its demonstration capabilities.
Automated guided vehicles deliver precision machined bulkheads and pre-wired sections.
The cross-sectional visualization confirms the flawless bonding of the composite matrix, guaranteeing these surfaces
The fuselage undergoes a specialized etching treatment, preparing the surface for optimal bonding and corrosion resistance.
Reading 5.2 mils here.
Consistent with the spec, the coverage looks perfect on the titanium joints.
Okay, process A steps are all green.
Confirming structural prep is complete.
Ready for the wing box scan.
Initiating automated fastening sequence on Zone 4.
Copy that. Pressure readings are nominal. Torque sequence authorized.
The twin vertical stabilizers are lowered onto the rear fuselage by a dedicated overhead manipulator. Automated
This is Process A, the robotic installation of the internal smoke generation system in the A-18E Super Hornet.
With the structural assembly complete, the A-18E is ready for final systems integration. This concludes Process A.
Alignment shows green across the mounts.
Confirmed. Engaging the harnesses and fuel lines now.
Pressure stable at max tolerance. No leaks detected on thermal.
Noted. Logging verification complete.
Process A initialization is complete and stable.
Confirmed. All primary flight controls are green.
The fluorescent fluid highlights microscopic breaches in the high-pressure lines, ensuring the integrity of the smoke generation system.
The titanium seams here are tight. No anomalies detected during the tap test.
Agreed. The structure is sound for the coating phase.
Confirmed weight on main gear, 12,400. Nose gear, 5,700. Data logged.
Lower the forward mount point by 2 millimeters
Confirmed, 2 millimeters.
and secure the aft bracket.
The high-pressure feed line from the ISGS pump is connected directly to the newly installed injector nozzle assembly using a
Okay, that's the final mechanical check on the ISGS.
Looks good. Electrical signed off.
Smooth travel, no binding, paint is clear.
Excellent. Torque on those fasteners is nominal.
The integration looks solid. Paint scheme is flawless.
Checklist is fully green. We can proceed with acceptance.
Very well. Sign it off.
The successful conclusion of the complex manufacturing and modification pipeline, ready for delivery and operational use.
Blue Angels 1, ISGS is green. Requesting engine start clearance, taxi.
The Super Hornet deploying its internal smoke generation system, showcasing the incredible precision and power of this specialized aircraft.
Demonstrating functional consistency, the Super Hornet maintains its massive, continuous white smoke plume in perfectly inverted flight.
Utilizing the new internal smoke generation system, the diamond formation demonstrates perfect synchronization, culminating in this massive cohesive plume.
Panels open, tanks look nominal.
Okay, pulling the dipstick now. Reading confirms expected burn rate for the profile.